Thursday, the 1st of January 2026. Episode 30. Indu rushes to the hospital to check on Rajendra and finds Ritesh paying the bills. Mistakenly believing he caused the accident, she lashes out at him in anger and frustration. Friday, the 2nd of January 2026. Episode 31. Soon is thrilled when Ritesh visits Indu's home. After a heated argument, Indu grows emotional as she watches Ritesh gently feed Zoon, revealing his soft corner for her. Saturday, the 3rd of January 2026. Episode 32. Indu apologizes to Ritesh for her behavior at the hospital. Later, Ritesh questions Vivek about Indu's past, leaving Vivek tense and unsure of how to respond. Sunday, the 4th of January 2026. Episode 33. Indu panics when Satish Bhai threatens her and gives an ultimatum. Meanwhile, Ritesh heads to Zoon's school after being urgently called by the class teacher. Monday, the 5th of January 2026. Episode 34. Ritesh and Zoon skip school and enjoy exploring the city together. When she returns home, Indu confronts Ritesh, and the two end up in a tense argument. Tuesday, the 6th of January 2026. Episode 35. After a major fight with Ritesh, Indu lands in trouble when her boss orders her to invite him. Elsewhere, Rahul tries to calm Ritesh's building frustration. Wednesday, the 7th of January 2026. Episode 36. Indu becomes angry when Kamna accuses her of using Zoon to get close to Ritesh. Meanwhile, Zoon secretly calls Ritesh and decides to visit him at his home. Thursday, the 8th of January 2026. Episode 37. Zoon reaches Ritesh's house and meets his mother. Her innocent request moves Ritesh deeply, leading him to apologize to his mother for his painful past mistake. Friday, the 9th of January 2026. Episode 38. Soon enjoys Indu's surprise rain dance, but chaos erupts when Ritesh's mother's wheelchair slips, shocking Kamna as she accidentally falls down the staircase. Saturday, the 10th of January 2026. Episode 39. Ritesh rushes his injured mother to the hospital, missing the flag ceremony. During his absence, Indu bravely handles the furious crowd demanding his presence. Sunday, the 11th of January 2026. Episode 40. Ritesh reaches the flag-hoisting venue and lashes out at Indu. Hurt, Indu suffers an emotional breakdown watching Ritesh and Zoon share a close moment. Monday, the 12th of January 2026. Episode 41. After overhearing Pankaj and Kamna, Zoon becomes terrified when Kamna threatens her. Indu notices Zoon's strange behavior and grows worried for her safety. Tuesday, the 13th of January 2026. Episode 42. Ritesh becomes furious after learning the truth behind Kamna's cruelty towards Zoon. He angrily confronts both Kamna and Pankaj for their heartless actions. Wednesday, the 14th of January 2026. Episode 43. Kamna pretends to support Ritesh while secretly plotting against him. Meanwhile, Satish calls Indu demanding his money, and Vivek overhears the tense exchange. Thursday, the 15th of January 2026. Episode 44. When Sameer questions her motives, Kamna reveals her wicked plan against Ritesh. Zoon feels uneasy when Kamna suddenly appears at Indu's home to see her. Friday, the 16th of January 2026. Episode 45. Kamna manipulates Satish to exploit Indu's financial troubles. Meanwhile, Zoon is overjoyed as she enjoys a pleasant trip to Lonavala with Indu and Ritesh. Saturday, the 17th of January 2026. Episode 46. Indu grows anxious when Satish storms into her house with goons, causing chaos. Ritesh gets furious when Indu firmly rejects his help, widening the tension between them. Sunday, the 18th of January 2026. Episode 47. Indu is dismayed when Rajendra decides to pledge the family jewelry to repay Satish. Her pain deepens when the jewelry is stolen, leaving her devastated and helpless. Monday, the 19th of January 2026. Episode 48. Kamna panics when Ritesh finds Indu's jewelry bag and makes an unexpected decision. Meanwhile, Rahul learns the shocking truth that Indu is not Zoon's biological mother. Tuesday, the 20th of January 2026. Episode 49. Sunita orders Indu to send Zoon to an orphanage and threatens to disown her. At the same time, Kamna discovers the truth about Zoon and plans to use it against Indu. Wednesday, the 21st of January 2026. Episode 50. Indu visits Ritesh's house and helps with Ganesh Chaturthi preparations. Meanwhile, Kamna plots to poison the prasad as part of her plan to harm Ritesh's mother. Thursday, the 22nd of January 2026. Episode 51. Indu convinces Ritesh to wear traditional clothes by taking Zoon's name. Meanwhile, Kamna feels thrilled as her vicious plan to ruin Ritesh's reputation begins to take shape. Friday, the 23rd of January 2026. Episode 52. UV refuses to return home with Katha and slips into memories of his mother, leaving him emotional. Later, Katha reflects on the situation and expresses her regret to Ishwar. Saturday, the 24th of January 2026. Episode 53. Kamna explodes in anger after learning the housekeeper's carelessness ruined her plan. Meanwhile, Indu is shocked and relieved when she finds her mother's missing jewelry on Ganesha's idol. Sunday, the 25th of January 2026. Episode 54. Sunita realizes her jewelry is placed on Lord Ganesha's idol and creates a scene at Ritesh's house. However, the Malhotra family firmly stands against her accusations, escalating the tension. Monday, the 26th of January 2026. Episode 55. Sunita is insulted when the Malhotras prove the ornaments belong to them. Unable to bear her mother's humiliation, an enraged Indu loses control and ends up slapping Ritesh in anger. Tuesday, the 27th of January 2026. Episode 56. Kamna files a complaint against Indu in Ritesh's name, worsening the conflict. Meanwhile, Zoon faces Indu's frustration, and Ritesh emotionally declares he will adopt Zoon no matter what. Wednesday, the 28th of January 2026. Episode 57. Indu outsmarts the CAA officers by locking them inside a bedroom. During the Ganesh Visarjan celebrations, she escapes with Zoon, determined to protect her from being taken away. Thursday, the 29th of January 2026. Episode 58. Indu plans to leave the city to keep Zoon safe from the police. When Kamna informs him of Indu's escape, Ritesh immediately joins the search, growing increasingly anxious. Friday, the 30th of January 2026. Episode 59. Indu breaks down emotionally when Ritesh forcefully takes Zoon away from her. Her pain deepens when she is arrested and accused of kidnapping the very child she raised with love. Saturday, the 31st of January 2026. Episode 60. Ritesh becomes furious after discovering Sunita's deep hatred towards Zoon. Meanwhile, Indu desperately tries to reach Ritesh when Zoon suffers an allergic reaction and needs urgent help. Premiere episodes of Bound by Love airs on Star Life from Mondays to Sundays at 22h35.